fidget trading, fidget trading. I'm fidget trading some needles and stuff.
Oh, me.
Okay.
Can you add a needle, please, so I can put whatever I want?
These needles are like really rare, but I'll give you this super viral slime squishy that I made with the viral slime. It's like really rare and good.
No, thank you. I don't like that. Decline.
Okay, I'll add.
No.
What
no,
if I
thank
add
you.
this? What if I? This?
I said, I thought you had needles, not whatever this is. Can you please add needles? I'm gonna add my really red butter squishy.
Okay. Guys, this girl is like really needy. I'm gonna give her my really hard gumdrop. Like, listen, it's so hard. So I'm gonna give this to her because she has like really good butter. So I think I'm gonna scam her. Okay, I'm gonna give you this really nice one.
I'll give you this.
Can you please add a mini putty? Yes, please.
It's the only one I have.
Except.
Add, please, one more thing.
This is like really rare and it's the super soft one. No, it's not. Okay, then I'll give you this one.
Needle, please.
This is a needle.
Okay, then I accept that.
Without this?
Yeah.
Okay, accept.
Oh my
Let me
gosh,
run.
It actually is soft. I'm like, it's in the.
Go.
It is actually so hard. She scared me. Like, look how hard that is. Look. How? Fidget trading. I have a butter and a needle.
Oh my gosh, she has the butter and the needle. I need to give her my needle. So like this is really good. And I'll give her that. Okay.
Sorry, guys. People are talking. People are saying our friends' names, like Violet and stuff.
And like Olivia, you know, and like other names. I don't have to pronounce it.
So far. Trading this knee down.
So I have this like
It's really actually soft. Like,
wait, it looks so good. I want it so bad. So this is like a really, really rare one. It was one of the secrets from a couple, from like, you know. And then I have this really soft mini one. Can you please add like the butter?
what do you mean? This is actually really soft.
Okay, fine. Except, just give me that needle. What the heck? This is so hard. She scammed me. Give me my needles back. Okay, I'm done with scamming. I'll do the spare trade. So this
Trading this Aaron's putty, Crazy Aries putty.
Ooh, what should I trade her for? Hello, can I please join?
Yes.
Hello.
Hi.
So I'm offering to trade one of these, unless you want both. By the way, this one is not this one if you want this one, because it's the actual butter one. I just put it in here for smaller.
Okay.
So can I please have the butter? Or
No, thank you. I accept.
I'll give you both.
I accept.
Can you please? Is that the only one you have, or do you want? Or can you
I
add?
saw this giant one that I'll put out there.
Okay, accept.
Can you add one more thing? Because this is like big.
Okay, this isn't a fidget, but this is really all I have with trade.
Accept.
Okay, accept.
Okay, y'all, clickers.
Yay, we got a fair trade, finally. Oh my gosh, someone scammed me for all my squishes and now I'm super poor. Oh my gosh, that person looks so like rich. Yeah, she's like so rich. I only have these two bad ones. I hope she'll accept. Actually, I have an idea. How about I come up with a story about like my dog died? Okay, I'll come up with a story. Hold up. Hi. Can we please fidget trade? I'm sorry.
First let me do this clicker. Okay, if it is brown, then we're going to a field trip. Oh my god! How would you like to offer?
So this is all I really have because like my cat and dog just died. They got ran over by a car.
Accept.
Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, but can you like, I'm not gonna be needy, but can you like add one needle or like,
No.
okay.
Oh Did you say all your pets died?
Yeah, but all my cats and dogs, they all were running outside, then got hit by cars.
Here, I would have to keep these because this is actually from my dog. Like he loves this toy. It's a Nito.
Okay. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. Except, yes, we scammed. I finally got the butter. Oh my gosh. I just remembered I was hiding this one. It's so good. It's like a Nito dupe. But I think I should try to scam this person for all her Nitos. They look so good. Yeah, I have an idea. Let's go. Let's go to the trading hub. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hi. Do you want a fidget trade?
Of course, that's the only reason I'm here. So I'm like really rich, and I have this really good Nito. See, like it's a Nito for real.
Oh my gosh, oh, she's so rich. Now I have to make my own story to get all her stuff. Okay, just so you know, like all my dad and mom died, and they never got me. Now I don't have any fidgets. I only have these two that I got. These are the only stuff I have from them.
What do you want? I can give you everything.
Yes, please. Here, I'll give you these two squishies.
But can I also have those two Nitos? Because this is the only Nito I have.
Okay, I'll trade this gumdrop. Actually, no, I'll trade this actually soft Nito.
Okay, I'm so sorry for your loss. I'll trade you this Nito and then so all of this for this. I'm so sorry for your loss. Except, oh my god, take it before she notices. What the heck? These are all fake. Oh my gosh. At least I scammed her too. That's not even a real Nito.
Oh my god, this isn't a real Nito, but it's fine. But my dad would love this.
Wait, did you just say your dad would love that?
I said my granddaughter.
Granddaughter?
Ah!
So that's all her stuff. And this is
Squishies.